Hey guys, maiba lang for today's content. Magsasalita lang ako. You won't see me, you won't see anything. But just plain conversation. Can I say it's a conversation? Kahit ako lang mag-isa. Anyway, nakakapagod na. It's a word that keeps on going on my head over and over and over. Nakakapagod na. Nakakapagod ng mag-daily routine everyday. Nakakapagod ng mapagod. And nakakapagod ng mag-keep up, mag-maintain, update, share. Tapos, wala rin namang interested makinig, manood, or even appreciate what you share. Dapat pa bang tuloy? Or dapat nang tumigil? Minsan, it's really confusing na if it's still good to continue or end it na. In your opinion, guys, what's the best thing to do? Stop or keep going? If I keep going, what for? You tried to push, but the system is pulling you down then. It's like it's becoming a commercialized system na if you don't spend, nothing will happen. Sometimes, even if you spend, wala pa rin nangyayari. Naranasan na rin ba yung time na gigising ka, kakain ka, matutulog ka na naman? Even yung pagtulog nakakapagod na. Makes me wonder, paano pa kaya yung mga 100 years old na tao? What it's like to be them. But I don't think I'll reach that far. I'm not sure if there's anything else I'd want in life then. Kasi I already had everything that I wanted to have. Travel, been there. Luxury, already have it. Share the blessings, already done that. Being kind, almost every day. Easy job, yes, it's given. Pero parang may kulang pa rin. Parang it's no longer fulfilling or I'm no longer happy with it. It becomes a routine. Maybe because I'm an Aries or because I am introvert. I barely go out. If I go out, I want to go back home again. I hate crowds. I hate mingling with strangers. Nakapagod. So, guys, if you're if you've reached this far, thank you for listening, and I'd appreciate your comments. Share your thoughts. Yun lang po for now. Thank you.